Hello everyone, Tim Hollenden here, and welcome to your Thursday tip of the day. Now, the last couple of episodes we've talked about specifically trying to get sellers and doing that through one, having an open house on your next listing and getting the neighbors invited to that open house 1 hour before it's open to the public. This is your time to shine. This is your time to be on stage. Secondly, we talked about getting back to the basics of postcarding. Postcard that new listing with a new listing postcard, under contract postcard, do a just sold postcard. Now you've touched the neighbors in that neighborhood 4 times. You invited them to the open, you sent them 3 postcards. Great way to get yourself in touch. Today I'm going to talk about what Tom Ferry calls the magic buyer letter. This has worked so many times for me in the past. Basically what it is, it's a letter that you're going to mail to the neighbors saying this. First of all, you're doing this in a neighborhood where you've got a buyer that really wants to live and you can't find them anything. And it doesn't have to be limited to a neighborhood. It could be an area. Obviously, the more you mail, the more expensive this gets, but I believe in spending money to make money, folks. So the letter says this: hey, it's Tim Hollenden. I want you to know I'm not writing you to try to get you to list your house with me, but I have an active, serious buyer that desperately wants to be in this neighborhood. Have you at all considered selling? Please reach out to me if you have, or if you're just curious about what your home might be worth. I'd be happy to help you there too. But I really need to find this buyer a home fast. Give me a call and leave them your contact info. So that goes out, and you'll get usually a couple of people that have seriously thought about selling and want to know if their house is a fit for your buyer. And so those are relationship starters. You might just sell that house, do a one-time showing agreement, find your buyer a home. Worst case, nobody raises their hand, but the entire neighborhood has seen your face on your letter, and just another great way to stay in touch. So hope everybody has a great day. We'll see you next time.